Hello, my wonderful viewers at home. How are you today? And how is your parents? Alright, my name is Mrs. Wampo, the U4 teacher. Today, our first subject today is science. And in our science today, we're going to talk about reproduction. Reproduction, or you call it reproductive system. So in our human body today, what is the human body? Then we are taking the reproductive system. Now, what is reproduction? Reproduction is a characteristic features of all living organisms that enables them to produce more individuals of their own kind. Okay, we say lion begets a lion, cat begets a cat. Just as we human beings also we give birth to what? A baby. That's what I mean by beget its own kind. Now let's take a look at the next one, types of reproduction. We have two types of reproduction. One is what? Asexual reproduction. Only one parent is needed to produce a new organism. Example, amoeba, some bees and ants. So what I mean by examples of amoeba, we know that amoeba have no shape. The animal like plants reproduce each other without what? Without father and mother. Plant can produce plants. Plantain produces plantain. Am I right? Then when you plant plantain here, within 1 year or 2 years, you see lots of plants, bunch of plants around it. But it's not so like human being. The same thing with bee. Bee becomes what? Babies without what? The help of a male. But the second one, which is known as what? Sexual reproduction. Two parents, male and female, are needed to form what? A new organism. Example, human beings, dogs, cats. We know this sexual reproduction. Like our mommies and daddy must meet together for them to have a baby. The same thing with dog. Dog, male and female must come together for them to have baby. A female dog cannot stay like that and produce without a male dog meeting the dog. Something with we human. The same thing with cat. A cat cannot produce a young one without a male cat meeting the female cat. Is that okay? Alright, the next one is tenth of human reproduction. We have it one. Reproduction in human is what? Sexual. It means that a man and woman must meet together in order to have a new baby. Okay? Two, the male is called the father and the female the mother. Don't forget, we have mommy and daddy. I know you have the mommy, you have the daddy. So the man is called the father while the woman is called the mother. Don't forget. Three, the parents have what? Special organs that produce special cells called gametes. Okay? Okay, we have number four. What's called gamete? That's a man produces own sperm to meet the woman so that they can produce a baby. Now, number four, the father produces the what? The female gamete or sperm. Then the mother produces what? The female gamete called the eggs. Okay, I've told you the man and the woman must come together in order to produce the baby. For example, I told you the mother produces the what? The mother produces what? The female gamete called the eggs. Now, these are the eggs. You can see an egg. Look at this. Inside the woman's stomach, we have the eggs. Okay? Can you see it? Okay. I told you about the male. I said the father produces the male gamete or the female. Okay? Now, look at this female. Look at this. The man's female, the female core, cell. You can see the female cell. This is it. This is the mouth, this female lung. This part are inside, while this part is outside. Alright, let's move then to reproduction, which have the mother. Look at when the mother is pregnant, look at how the baby is inside the mother's stomach. You can see the baby when the things, the egg of the man and woman mix together and the baby comes this way. So the baby starts from little and they're becoming big. Little by little, you can see how the baby is inside the mother's stomach. So the mother's stomach. Until the baby becomes bigger and bigger, it forms until what happens? The legs and the hands, the eyes and all parts of the body are formed fully before our mother can give birth to us. Okay? Alright, don't forget I told you today we are having the human body. Inside the human body, our main subtopic is what? The reproductive system. Then I told you reproduction is a characteristic features of what? All living organisms that enables them to produce more individuals of their own kind. I told you lion becomes lion. We human beings will become any human being that produces snake. That person has become a witch. So human being produces human being. goat begat goat. Is that taken? Now I mentioned types of reproduction. I mentioned two. Asexual reproduction. Know this, that this one is the only one that has to do with only one parent. It can, the example are plants around you streamed up without what meeting each other. Then I told you bee also do that. Amoeba has no shape. Let me know that. Then number two, I told you sexual reproduction has to do with two parents. A mother and a father must meet together in order to do what? To produce you as a human being. The same thing, cat and cat must meet together, the male and the female, dog the same. Okay, then I move down to terms of what? Human reproduction, which I told you, reproduction in human is sexual. Man and human must come together in order to have baby. That's the way God made it. Okay, the male is called what? The father, while the woman is called what? The mother. Then the parents have what? Special organs in their body. God has put it there. That will make them, that will be together in order to produce babies. Alright. The father produces what? The male gametes. Okay? The mother produces the female gamete called the eggs. That will, when two of them come together, they meet and fertilize, and from there they form a baby. Okay. Then this I take on for today is home drilling. What is reproduction? Let me know. Two, mention types of reproduction that we have, I've told you. Then dash reproduction has only one parent. Let me know the type. Okay, dash reproduction has two parents. Okay, mention types of human reproduction. I have them 6, 7, 8. Just list 3 for me. Alright, until I see you on the next class, make sure you wash your hands and stay indoors, just as the mother tells you to do. Goodbye.